Hi, I'm Steve Borowski, Director of Facility Services at Monroe Clinic, and we've received LEED Silver certification for our new hospital. LEED is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, and it's a voluntary program that's sponsored by the U.S. Green Building Council, and a number of healthcare organizations are starting to investigate LEED certification. What this means for us is that we pursue a number of sustainable practices such as sustainable sites, materials and resources, water conservation, energy usage, indoor air quality, just in order to make for a more sustainable, more energy efficient building that's better for the building's occupants. There are thousands of organizations that have submitted for LEED certification nationwide. Of those, less than 3% are healthcare organizations, and Monroe Clinic is only the second inpatient hospital in Wisconsin to attain LEED Silver certification. The landscaping that we have in and around the facility is naturalized in a number of locations, and that means that we can use less water, it's more drought resistant, and it requires less maintenance. One very simple thing that we did is installed water fountains with bottle fillers. And to date, we've been open a little bit over a year, and we have saved the impact of about 15,000 bottles of water that were filled by these drinking fountains instead of buying bottled water. This building is absolutely bathed in natural light. It's hard to go anywhere in here and not have access to light and access to nature. You'll see green roofs on a couple of our floors that are viewable from our inpatient rooms and from our birthing suite. And we have a green roof which is accessible to patients, visitors, and their families, and that's right outside of our chapel. We obtained a lot of the building materials from less than 500 miles away from Monroe. One of the best examples that I can tell you of that is the stone that is throughout the facility. The walls that you see where a lot of our artwork hangs, the stone that you see by the elevators was quarried from Mount Carroll, Illinois, only 50 miles away from Monroe. Recycling was one of our biggest accomplishments with LEED. They will allow credit for 50% and 75% recycling. We recycled more than 93% of the building materials, over 5,000 tons that would have otherwise gone to landfill. We have state-of-the-art heating and cooling systems. We have very efficient boilers, and we have a combination of steam boilers and hot water boilers. We also have some of the most energy efficient chillers that are available on the market. They are oilless, so they have magnetic bearing technology, which is very similar to what bullet trains in China or in France would use. And they're very efficient from the start. They will never lose efficiency either because you don't have oil to contaminate refrigerant. What this translates to is a savings of over $200,000 a year, over $4 million over the course of the lifespan of the building. We have plumbing fixtures that use 30% less water than what code requires. So again, over the lifespan of the building, we are saving thousands, if not millions of gallons of water. LEED certification is a great thing for the community because it demonstrates Monroe Clinic's commitment to sustainability. It demonstrates Monroe Clinic's commitment to providing the best healthcare, the best for our community, stewardship of resources, and being in this for the long term.